What is Gemini and how does it work? In Google's words, Gemini is an interface to a multimodal large language model handling text, audio, images, and more. In English, this means it can process more than text. Gemini understands images, audio, code, you name it. And you interact with it through a chat interface similarly to how you'd hit up a friend on WhatsApp. Under the hood, Gemini's tech is quite similar to ChatGPT's. It transforms your input into something it can understand and predicts the most logical next pieces of information. When you ask Gemini a question, it breaks down your input into tiny pieces called tokens or embeddings. These are the model's way of hearing and seeing the information. Next, using a clever technique called self-attention, Gemini figures out which words matter the most and how they relate to each other. Kind of how you'd scan a paragraph and figure out what are the main points. Based on its training on basically the entire internet, plus real-time data from Google's web index, Gemini predicts what to say next. And when it needs current information, it browses the web just like you would. Finally, it generates a response, converting those predicted tokens into a format you can understand.